What's up, guys? Out here in the parking lot. Just got done with my practice session. Gonna test out my moto vlog setup, and I'm gonna try out a special little pattern that was created by my fellow preloaders, Miss Jenny and Ruben and Gigi. They call this the Ambassador Cross. So it's just like the regular iron cross, but instead of U-turns, you kind of have some keyholes here. And I have these set up at 18 feet, 18-foot circles. And I've been playing around with this a little bit, and I like it. I like it a lot. It's challenging. Now we're gonna flip around here, go the opposite way. Figure I could give you guys a POV shot. This is fairly easy to set up too. And once you get to your last circle, boom, weave around this cone and you're out. I'll end up showing you guys a shot with the drone up in the air and a shot of the drone following me. Do this one more time. Weave around this cone, immediately come in left, slow down a little bit, with all the space, boom. Trying to keep a steady throttle. This parking lot's kind of at an angle, so some of these I'm coming out downhill, so I got to use a little more rear brake. Very good. See, this is uphill, so this is easier. This part's going to be downhill. So I gotta slow myself down a little bit. Weave around this cone. Now I come in and go right. You definitely have to use all your space here. That's the hardest one for me for some reason. I pick up a lot of speed right there. And I don't think there's a time that you're not working. Maybe getting into the next keyhole, but your handlebars are constantly moving. And when I first tried this, it wasn't pretty. And I'm out, baby. Let me go ahead and show you what it looks like with the drone. Hopefully this audio sounds good. But this is a fun one. Thanks, Miss Jenny, Ruben, and Gigi.